In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, click on System. Now select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, select Theme section over here and scroll all the way down. You can click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Now tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, you can always access the same settings. Then tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!